For making 8L size picture, first you have to go to file, then open a picture, then go to crop tools. Here this is white and this is white, this is height and this is resolution. For making 8L size picture, the white will be 8 inch, the height will be 12 inch, and the resolution will be 300. So now you can put your picture in a proper position, then press Ctrl plus Enter or this tick option. Now you can save the file from go to file and save as. Here you have to write a file name and save as type. It will be JPG, and then save. Here you can select your picture quality. You can select medium, high or maximum. So I will select maximum size, then press OK. So this is your 8L size picture. For making 10L size picture, first you have to go to file, then open a picture, then go to crop tools. Here this is white, this is height and this is resolution. For making 10L size picture, the white will be 10 inch, the height will be 15 inch, and the resolution will be 300 pixel. So now press Ctrl plus Enter or this tick option. This is your 10L size picture. Now you can save the picture from go to file, then save as. Here you have to write a file name and save as type. It will be JPG and then save. So here you can select the picture quality. Here you can select high, medium, low or maximum. So I will select maximum and then OK. So saving is complete. This is your 10L size picture.